Anong ganap sa mundo ng showbiz? Nasorpresa ang kapuso sparkle artist na si Sandro Mulak nang biglang dumating ang kanyang inang si Edith Millare mula sa Amerika para ipagdiwang ang kanyang kaarawan sa Pilipinas kasama ang kanilang pamilya. Sa isang Instagram post nitong Lunes, ika-23 ng Setyembre, ibinahagi ni Sandro ang video ng emosyonal na pagkikita nila ng kanyang ina, kalakip ang isang madamdaming mensahe ng pasasalamat. "Mama, you are the strongest woman I know, and I am so lucky to have you as my mom. Your love and kindness mean more to me than you know. Thank you for being there for me during one of the hardest times in my life. Your love, care, and presence meant more to me than I can ever fully express. When I felt overwhelmed by my trauma, you were a constant source of strength and comfort. I'm still finding my way, but I feel stronger knowing that I have you by my side. I hope you know how much I appreciate everything you've done, not just during this time, but always. Thank you for surprising me even if it's your birthday. You are the best mom I could ever ask for. I love you more than words can express. Happy birthday, Mama." Matatanda ang nagsampa ng kaso si Sandro laban sa dalawang independent contractors na inakusahan ng panghahalay sa kanya. Nagsimula ang kontrobersya matapos lumabas ang isang blind item mula sa Philippine Entertainment Portal na nagsasabing ang isang baguhang aktor ay ginawang midnight snack ng dalawang TV executives.